Hello there people and welcome to my brand new review. In this review we will test how to get the latest working Delta Executor absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to this website. It's called blockspan.com. You will find it easily and click on Delta Executor. So it should load up and then we will enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So guys, don't worry because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here. So I will just continue with my username. It's our public info and click connect the server. You should get your account there. Click connect and we should get connected. So there we go. Now we will click import latest executor core API. And guys, if you want, you can select additional scripts to install along your Delta. So I will go with NICUs and Solix Hub with these two scripts. Guys, you can Google and see what they do and what games do they support. So I will just continue with these two, click continue. And after this, we should get connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. And let's see what we will get. There we go. API request is success. Our Delta is there. Our key, two scripts selected. Look at this with key. They are ready. And now we will have to click verify and complete now because there are many bots and malicious attacks. So just click verify and complete now, guys. And we should get redirected. And there we go. Imported our Delta username, selected scripts, and unique key generated, which is most important. So guys, just click copy key. And before you get this imported page, if you're detected as a bot, you might be asked to complete two simple tasks from the list. Don't worry, because all tasks are free and safe, and you can complete it under 2 minutes of your time. So guys, you will get, after you complete two tasks, you get redirected to this imported page, and you get all this and your unique key. Just click copy, close this page, and open your Roblox. So let's see, guys, are we actually getting our Delta Executor with key? I will click on blocks for it, select this game, and I will click play so we make sure that it actually works. Let me rotate my phone, guys, and let's see, are we actually getting Delta? And look at this, guys, we actually got our Delta literally working. And now we will paste our key and we will see, is it actually working? Now we gotta click continue, guys, and boom. Look at this, guys. We got working Delta Executor absolutely free, safe and online. I'm so excited because it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Blockspan.com was the only working so far. So guys, let's test our scripts. And also we got our two scripts imported, NICUs and Solix Hub. So I will just click execute on one of them and let's see, is it actually working, guys? So look at this. We got key as well. There we go. And now we'll see, is it actually working? Okay, nice. And there we go. Guys, look at this. We can do whatever we like right now. It's crazy how many options we have. Look at this, guys. You can customize it and do whatever you like. So I will enable auto farm and let's see, is it actually working? So guys, let's see, what will it do? Okay, we can test a lot of options. Auto farm, look at this, guys. Auto farm, okay. And boom. It's teleporting, yeah. It's crazy, guys. It does literally all by automatic comments. Guys, look at this. I'm so excited because it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Blockspan was the only working so far. Let me close this. And guys, if you want to remove your Delta Executor, just reinstall your Roblox and that's pretty much it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.